A few years ago, I had the most incredible homemade cannolis at this little restaurant in Philadelphia. They were so rich and creamy, I chowed down on not just one or two, but three of them. And from that day on, cannolis have been one of my favorites. So today, I can't wait to share a super easy spin-off of them that we just came up with in the form of a cake. We start by baking a white cake mix in a 9x13 pan according to the package directions. While that cools, we combine a container of mascarpone cheese, some ricotta cheese, and a little vanilla. Once that gets all creamy, we beat in some powdered sugar and a little sweetened condensed milk. Now, using the handle of a wooden spoon, we poke the cake, creating holes, sort of like this. Then, we drizzle a can of sweetened condensed milk over it, making sure it gets into all the nooks and crannies. All that's left to do is spread the creamy filling over it and sprinkle on a few mini chocolate chips. When this comes out of the fridge, after chilling for a bit, get ready for a cake that's so moist and creamy, it'll be hard not to go back for seconds or even thirds. The recipe for what we call Nonna's Cannoli Poke Cake is online now and is so good. I know you'll end up making this over and over again. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found Nonna's favorite way. That's Grandma in Italian. For you to say, ooh, it's so good.